Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin and it's going to be an unboxing video. I was going to do my review video for this, but I have a question for Locko and I'd like to hear back from him before I do my review on this. So this will be pushed back a little bit, but let's get this open. I had mentioned in my unboxing video that I bought another Locko that I wanted to get on wrist since it was smaller. I believe it's a 39, and I hope it is in this box, otherwise I may look like an idiot doing this unboxing video, but anyway, I'm pretty sure that it is in this box. I think I must have bought something else too. Sorry, just got too much stuff going on. I gotta stop using these knives for unboxing. They just don't work too well. Alright, let's get this out of here. It's going to be a surprise to me because I don't remember what else I got. Extra tape on this one. Let me pull this off to the side here. I don't know what that is. Okay, yep, I found the right box. Oh, that's good. But I forgot the name. I know it's a Locko, obviously. It has a gray dial. I forgot what the name of it is. But very similar packaging to this other one here. This is just unboxing. I'll do the full comparison later. I don't have all the specs and everything memorized for this one here. Okay, yeah, so this is, let me zoom in. This is the Chemnitz Laco automatic 38. Okay, I thought it was 39, but 38, 39, you know, whatever. It's a smaller watch, just to fit my wrist a little better. Let me get this other package over here, container over here too. We'll look at that. I'm starting to slowly remember what was in there, looking at this watch here. So this is a gray dial. I wanted this because it was the gray dial, but also mainly because it's a smaller watch. But it's not exactly the same style. This is more of the Bauhaus style, I guess. And this is more of a marine or navy style watch. But they are both Locko. This has looks like a Miota movement. So this is stainless steel, mineral glass, made in Germany with 5 atmosphere. The crown's kind of small. So yeah, this is a watch that I purchased. I bought it used. It says hand winding. Yeah, it looks to be hand winding. I don't know if it's hacking. It is hacking too, so I'll do some more research on this and figure out what movement is in here. The strap feels really nice and soft, actually. But like I said, I bought it used. Let me get this on wrist. And this strap just barely, I probably could use this, well, maybe not. Not quite the last position. I probably could get on that last hole if I really wanted to pull on it. So there we go on my wrist. It's a little bit different style. I've not had a watch with these straight lugs like this before. So, all right, just a quick look at that. Looks pretty thin. It's got the combination of brushed and polished surfaces there. So I'll do a I may do the full review on this before I do the comparison. I haven't decided yet. So, all right, let's set this off to the side. In this other container here, maybe you can see why I was confused pulling it out of the box. Not exactly sure what this is, but I think I kind of know what it is. I think it's a, I think it's an Armita. Sorry, I bought it a while ago. Yep, Armita. There's some kind of gasket in there. Some interesting packaging here. Almost thought it was a like a tumbler or something. I don't know what I was expecting. Also has a rubber bracelet. Little tool in here. Bought this used also. I got these from Random Rob Sunday Fun Day sale. So I believe this is based, not based, but it's homage to the Seiko 62 Mas. Looks to be a little smaller too. The case shape, it looks different than what I'm seeing on camera and also in pictures. By eye, it looks a bit different. It's kind of, well, I'll just say it's unique. This is a smaller watch as well. So it should look good on my wrist. So, dive extension here. This one or that one? That one. Another watch with a similar bracelet. Similar clasp, I should say. Looks like it's size for my wrist, actually. That's pretty nice. There's someone else out there with a 6.5 inch wrist. The lugs are pretty long in this compared to the diameter, I think. But I'll get into that in the full video, full review. So anyway, that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys on the next video.